walking around in one of the hangars, and I can't believe what I came across. So if you have one of these, a GRT EIS, which I have in my gyroplane, you can upgrade it to one of these. Very simple plug and play. So let me show you real quick and give you the information in case you're interested. Okay, so I'm here with Katie at Wapsi Aero, and Katie, maybe you can tell us a little bit about what this does.
Sure, yeah. So a lot of people are flying around with those GRT units, and a lot of people kind of get frustrated with button clicks and things and trying to get all of that information. And so we have a from the ground up replacement for it. It's got the same screws, same pinout on the back, but it displays a whole lot more information on one page. So it's got everything that you could need. We've got a 2-cylinder version and a 4-cylinder version.
That is just amazing. And you told me the little story. How did this come about?
Yeah, so my husband flew ultralights. He flew Quicksilver with this engine monitor in it, and he was really frustrated with kind of trying to read all of that information. And so he's a big tinkerer, and so he tinkered around and made something for himself, was posting pictures of it in the ultralight community, and we realized that there were lots of people who wanted it. So here we are 6 years later.
That's awesome. And you're a millionaires now, and now he flies a Cirrus, right?
I wish. He's still got a day job, and I am a teacher.
Well, it's amazing that you take the time to come out here to Oshkosh and do this. So.
Yeah,
Right.
It's a really cool thing to be a part of.
Well, thank you very much. And where do we go for information? Your website?
We have a website. It's wapsiaero.com.
All right.
And he's got a kind of a Facebook channel that he updates pretty regularly.
Okay. Wapsi Aero on Facebook. Just join the group. All right. Awesome. All right, I'll put the website link in the description and come check it out. All right, when I saw that, I couldn't pass it up. If you have one of these GRT EIS systems, you know how boring the display is. So for less than one aviation monetary unit, or AMU, you can put a significant upgrade in your panel. So go to waspiaero.com for more information, and stay tuned for Silva Adventures, because I got some more updates coming from Oshkosh.